Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that when the verse of Surah Al-Ahzab, Surah 33 verse 28 was revealed, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam called me first and said, "O Aisha, I wish to mention something to you in your presence. Do not make any decision without consulting your parents." I ask, what is it that requires this? The Prophet ﷺ then recited the verse to me. O Prophet, say to your wives, if you should desire the worldly life and its adornment, then come, I will provide for you and give you a gracious release. Quran Surah 33 verse 28. I replied, I choose Allah and His Messenger. The Prophet ﷺ was very pleased with my response. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 24180.